i35equipment.com. This is a brand new skid steer bucket, stock number SB203. Universal skid steer attachment plate, center step, 84 inches wide, smooth edge. Appreciate you taking time to watch. If you'd like a hauling quote, just give us a shout. Fill out the form on the website. Call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share data with several local haulers and issue broker. Get back the best rate that comes back to us. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory, consignment, heavy equipment, buckets, attachments, and more online at www.i35equipment.com. Appreciate you taking time to watch, and do hope you have a wonderful day.